Alright, so this happened a few weeks ago and honestly, I'm still questioning my sanity. Picture this. It's 3 a.m., I'm dead asleep, pun intended, and I wake up to this weird sound. At first, I thought it was my cat being a drama queen again, but no. My cat was chilling on the bed, staring at the closet like he just saw Elvis in there. Weird, right? The air felt different. You know when you're in a room and it suddenly feels like someone cranked up the pressure, like the walls themselves are holding their breath? Yeah, that. My heart was pounding so hard I could practically hear it in my ears. I tried to brush it off. Maybe it was just my overactive imagination. Thanks, horror movies. But then I realized the sound wasn't stopping. It was faint at first, this low, raspy noise, almost like someone was breathing in my closet, and not like regular breathing. Oh no, this was asthmatic Darth Vader meets creepypasta level breathing, heavy, uneven, deliberate. I froze. Every horror survival rule was screaming in my brain, don't investigate, don't be the idiot who dies first. But what did I do? I got up to check it out because clearly I make bad life choices. The sound got louder as I approached. The air grew colder. Was it always this cold in my room? I grabbed my phone like it was some kind of magical weapon, turned on the flashlight and whispered, "Hello?" Yep, I helloed the demon in my closet. Because that always works, right? Spoiler, it doesn't. The closet door creaked. I swear it moved on its own, like something on the other side was testing me, waiting for me to get closer. And then I saw it. A shadow, human-shaped but off, like it wasn't quite solid. My breath caught in my throat. I swear I felt eyes on me, even though I couldn't see them. With my heart about to explode, I yanked the door open. And guess what? Nothing. Just a pile of laundry and a whole lot of nope. But it didn't feel right. The closet felt wrong, like the shadows were too deep, too thick, as if they were hiding something. The breathing sound stopped, but the air was still heavy. My cat let out this low growl, and I noped out of there so fast I could have won an Olympic medal. The next morning, I told my roommate, still shaken, expecting them to freak out with me, but no, they just shrugged and said, "Oh yeah, that happened to me last month." Excuse me? This is the kind of thing you tell someone before they sign a lease. Now every night feels like a countdown. The closet hasn't made any more noise, but it feels like it's waiting. The silence is worse somehow, like it's giving me false hope. I sleep with a nightlight, a baseball bat, and every prayer I can think of. But the question haunts me. What was it? A ghost? A demon? Some freaky shadow creature from another dimension? And why does it feel like it's not over? Have you ever experienced something like this? A moment where the air shifts and you just know you're not alone. Or am I going crazy? Please tell me I'm not alone in this. Drop your stories below. I need to know if I'm dealing with a haunted closet or if I should be Googling exorcists. Oh, and if you're into spooky vibes, I made a video about the whole thing, complete with creepy sound effects because clearly I don't value my peace of mind.